Hi, everybody. It's Andy O'Brien. I'm doing this one video a day in May thing with Lou Bortone, and I thought since it's May 1st and we're doing 31 days of video, I figured I would cut this first video. And what I want to say in this first one is my prediction on the future of copywriting as it relates to artificial intelligence. I'm doing a lot of work in this field, and what I'm discovering is that people are taking too many shortcuts. They are rewriting AI copy using AI. So, like, they're humanizing AI, their outputs for their sales pages or articles, blogs, whatever. And they're taking it and running it through plagiarism, anti-plagiarism software, plagiarism detectors, and then rewriting it using those AI tools. And that's not what I would recommend. I would actually recommend humanizing it, actually going in and taking the copy that AI gives you and rewriting it, editing it with your own words, your own brain. Otherwise, we run the risk of letting AI just take charge of all our creativity, and we can't let that happen. So that's my video for now. I hope you'll take that advice and start rewriting your own copy with your own creativity.